how do you define master data? And do you have to compare and contrast that with other kinds of data to help sort of get that orientation and understand the concept? How do you do it, Ann, when people ask?
Okay, so what's interesting is as my career had progressed, people in my family, my kids, they're like, well, what do you do? And you're right. I don't care who you're talking to. Right? They're like, master data? What is that, Mom? And so here's the easiest way and I do think it depends on the person you're talking to in the audience, but I'm going to give you an analogy. This is for me, the best way I can explain it to people. And it's for those Dungeons and Dragons people.
Okay.
I had this brother, right? Or whoever has watched Stranger Things. I had a brother who was a total Dungeons and Dragons. And I just found it absolutely absurd, crazy. But he had books, people, roles, the character, the dice, the adventures they would go on. And he was so knowledgeable in all of this background information in order to make this game happen. So for me, master data is all of that background information that you have to make an ERP system run, or a PLM system run, or PDM. The bigger picture is in an organization, it largely has to do with the value stream. Is this order to cash, procure to pay, idea to product? It really is what is all of the data elements and information needed to make that happen.